What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Um, well, I hope you enjoyed the last two videos of some tractor pulling. We, I didn't go, but my friend he went up to Lebanon and took the two tractors, the A and the Reaper, and went tractor pulling. I was out of town, so I couldn't make it, but he went up there and did pretty good. He placed with the Reaper, got a third and a fourth with it, and then didn't place with the A, but it didn't do too bad. It was right there in the middle of the pack. So really can't complain too much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. He did a really good job at filming and getting all that. So I was very happy with it. So yeah, there's that. I guess today there's not really a whole lot to do tractor wise, and it's kind of nasty out. But today I think we're gonna go stick some batteries in a truck that we got, and we're gonna start getting it start tearing into it, getting it ready for pulling season. So let's go do that. Okay, so like I said, it is crazy muddy today, and we're not gonna be doing too much. I probably won't even bring. I might bring the truck down. Probably not. I mean, it's gonna just sit there and spin. But we need to go get the truck started and start tearing into it. Get it maintenanced, and I'll explain everything once we get up there. So for now, let's get some batteries loaded. So you guys stay right there. I'll go get some batteries. Okay. All right, we're gonna need those. So let's go up to the truck and I'll show you guys that. All right, so here's the truck. Um, it's a 1994 International, has a DT 408 in it, and we've owned this truck for probably 10 years or so. And we used to have it where we would put the tractors up on the bed of the truck, and we had a 20-foot trailer that we pulled behind it, and then we built a bridge across the truck and the trailer, load tractors up on the bed, and then put tractors up on the two tractors on the bed, two tractors on the trailer, to really get a lot of weight on the rear axle of this thing. But now it's kind of gotten to the point we have so many goosenecks. Building the bridge across, we were using aluminum ramps. We had some custom built, but they were still heavy and a pain to move. So what we want to do now is shorten the bed, or take the bed off, shorten the truck, so we can use it to pull goosenecks. We just got another gooseneck to haul our heavy stuff, heavy tractors, and we have two 30-foot goosenecks and a couple bumper pole trailers. So really, it's not, we don't need to put tractors up on the bed anymore. And most of the tractors now that we have won't fit between the two rails of the trailer that we use. They won't fit to get up on the bed. So yeah, that's the plan. We got to put some batteries in it. We probably won't move it today since it's so muddy, but we might try. We got to put a set of batteries in it and then get it started. It hasn't ran in like a year and a half. So once we do that, get it running and everything, I'll do a walk around of the truck and tell you what all we need to do engine wise to get this rig back on the road. So we do have a 1-ton dually, but at going to our local tractor pull, sometimes we like to take two loads, and we were using this truck right here. This is a 74 International. We're using that hooked to a trailer. We either had it hooked to this one or a different gooseneck. But this thing is sweet. It's a really cool truck, but sadly, it's not very practical or safe on the road. The brakes are horrible. It has a ton of air leaks and no power steering. So trying to drive this in modern traffic, it it's just not really smart to do. And we wouldn't want to get in that truck and take it to some further away poles that we go to. Now, this one on the other hand, we would, and we have used to do that um, back when we were running this truck. So yeah, so let's get some batteries put in her and see if it'll crank up. I bet it will. This truck has always started good. So, all right, let's get to work. All right. Well, we got got the batteries put in there. Guess we'll open this up, and then we need to. You can tell the truck needs to be washed really bad. This was a sharp looking truck when we were running it a bunch, but as you can see, there's the DT engine, big old massive injection pump. I think the truck's it's 408 cubic inches. I think it's been turned up a little bit, but not a ton. So I guess we'll see what she does. See if we have any power. Oh, that's a good sign. Yeah. I guess we'll see if it starts. Like nothing. That's awesome. See, the last time we ran it, we noticed it started to have a little bit of a fuel leak right there. So we got to replace that line, which doesn't look awful, but we got to replace that line. There's a fuel filter there that we're going to, there you go, that we're going to change. Basically, completely service the truck. The last time we ran it, we had the alternator go out, and for some reason, I don't know why, but this one isn't working. So we need to put a new alternator on it. There's another filter right there. Another one right there. There's the big oil filter down there. So engine wise, that's what we need to do. We need to service it, fluids, all that stuff, and then replace that alternator. And then bed wise, so this is how long the bed is. This is a 20-foot bed. And I will post a picture up of what it looked like before, or what it looked like when we had tractors on here. Sorry, I can't speak. So our plan is we're going to move that right up there somewhere and take this bed off so we can haul that trailer over there. Make it shorter, be able to get in and out of places, and yeah. So that's going to be the plan. That's what we're going to start doing. Hopefully in the next maybe day or two, if this weather clears up, we'll get this pulled down to the shop and start tearing into it. hit the record button? I hope I did. Us new YouTubers don't know what to do. Okay, yeah, I kind of figured it wouldn't want to move. It's just too wet out and it's in a hole a little bit. So we will get a one day when my friend's over here, we'll get a tractor and we'll drag it out. Maybe if it, hopefully it'll dry up a little bit. So, yep. But at least it runs. That's one big step. I was worried it wasn't going to want to start, but it fired right up. So, all right, guys. Well, that is probably going to do it for today. We haven't done much, but at least we got the truck started. And if the weather clears up, and they're saying it's supposed to get get a little bit warmer in the next couple days, so we'll move the truck down there and we'll start servicing it, and I'll get it on videos. I am planning on, I got a bunch of videos that I want to start posting on here, so look forward to that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button. If you want to share this to a friend, that would be cool. I would appreciate that. Really try to get spread the word, try to get everybody sorry, my phone. Try to get as many people watching this channel as possible. I want to grow tractor pulling and just, do day in the life stuff, things like this, things that most people don't do when it comes to tractor pulling, show them engine builds, things like that, the behind the scenes basically. So yeah, we're going to start working on this truck. If you haven't, go watch the previous videos of the Lebanon, Missouri poll. That was a really good poll, really good turnout. So, and if you're not, follow my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'm on all social media platforms. I post a ton of videos on that stuff. So, go follow them. And we will see you guys on the next one. See y'all.